3 ways to make money online even if you're broke. No credit card required. Hey, do you want to make money online but you're broke? You don't have any money? You don't even have a credit card? In this video I'm going to show you 3 really cool ways to make money online, and you can do it today, and we're starting right now. Hey, JR Fisher here, and if you're new to my channel, do me a favor and subscribe below. Click that button below there, and don't forget, smash the bell. There's a little bell next to that subscribe button. You got to smash that bell, and then you have to turn on all notifications. That way I can notify you as soon as I do a new video. You'll be part of the VIP family. Now, I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars worth of both physical and digital products. And here's what I figured out: if you do the right things, you'll get great results. So I take all those things and I share them with you on this channel so you can start, run, and grow your online business. At the end of this video, I've got a bonus for you. What is it? It's a free course. It's a $97 course actually, but you can get it absolutely free by just clicking in the link below in the description. Now, have you been trying to make money online? Have you found some ways that work or ways that don't work? I want to know what your experience has been. Please put your comments below. Now, if you're having a problem, you got a question, put that question below. I'll be happy to answer it and help you out. Let's get going, and let me show you 3 ways you can make money online even if you're broke. Now, the first way you can make money online is with a t-shirt business. Now, you don't have to have any skills. You don't have to know anything. All you got to do is start your t-shirt business, and it's free to start. Now, we use a company called Printful, and it's really simple at Printful. The way it works is that all you do is upload your image that you want to use for your t-shirt, and you start your store. Now, you can put this image on t-shirts, you can put it on mugs, you can put it on posters, on bedspreads, on shower curtains, and guess what? It's not even put on there until somebody buys it. And that's the cool thing about Printful. Now, if you're concerned about where do I find a design I can use on Printful, I'm going to show you what some of the top designs are right now. I'm going to run over to Etsy, and we're going to take a look at some t-shirts right now so you can get an idea about what you can do. Okay, so I'm at Etsy right now. This is what you're going to see when you first get there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for t-shirts right here. And this is going to help me get some ideas for my t-shirts. So you can see all these t-shirts here. Now, here's the cool thing. What they do is they show you, if you look right here, how many t-shirts are actually sold. So this one here is, surely not everyone was kung fu fighting. Okay, now you can't copy this identically. However, you can change a couple words in here in the colors and the shapes of the fonts and sell something very similar to it. This shirt has sold 4,999 shirts. That's crazy. Okay, and if you scroll through here, let me scroll through and show you some of the other ones. Get over here. If you scroll through here, you can find all kinds of. This one here is really quite simple. It's Crayola crayons inspired unisex shirt. Now, the one thing I would say is I'd be careful using any type of name brand, so I probably wouldn't go after that one there. Let's take a look at some of these other shirts that people have done, and I like the ones that are like super simple to do, because if they're super simple, I can do it, right? I can copy that. If there aren't mouse ears, I'm not going. So that's kind of a cute one there. Obviously you could sell this to people who are going to Disney, and they aren't really saying anything about Disney here. They're just kind of showing this, and I like this picture they've got here. This one here, cat books and tea, cat lovers gift, and that got cut off right there. But cat books and tea, you could do something just like this, just a different font. Maybe you want to put an image in there, and this will give you some ideas as to what you can do for your particular t-shirts. Now, I'm at Facebook right now, and on Facebook you can also find popular things. So let's go, and we're just going to hit the F right here. I'm going to put t-shirts, and I'm going to put funny right here. Okay, and see what we get. Okay, so if you notice here, it's got all these t-shirts here, and you can see the popular ones by going to, let's go to pages right here. and it says funny t-shirts at funnyshirts.org, and it looks like 9,000 people like that one. It looks like 42,000 people like this one. So let's take a look at this one here. And this is a page that somebody has created within Facebook, and it just has, it looks like funny t-shirts. Behind every smart ass daughter is a truly asshole dad. That's an interesting one. All right, here's a funny shirt right here. When you meet me, you think I'm quiet. When you talk to me, you wish I was quiet. And when you get to know me, you'll get scared when I'm quiet. So there's kind of a funny one, but you could just scroll through here and find all kinds of different ones. You want to watch the ones here who have profanity on it, which we can see quite a few of those. I'm a nightmare before coffee. That's kind of a cool one. But as you can see, there's all kinds of different ones in here you can look at. And what you do is you look here, this one here's got 522 comments, 4,500 shares. So you just pick one that has a lot of interactions on it, and you can find a pretty good idea just by doing that. Now the next concern you may have is, well, can I even design a shirt? Do I have the capability to design a shirt? Well, if you don't think you do, you can go to Fiverr. You can find people on Fiverr that can design the shirt for you for $5 or $10, whatever, and it's really worth it because these people do it all the time, and they can come up with some really good designs if you just tell them what you want, what words you want to say. Let's take a look at Fiverr real quick and search that. Okay, I'm at Fiverr right now, and I will just type in here t-shirt design and see what we come up with. And we come up with all these people that do t-shirts. I will create a awesome illustration t-shirt design for $15. This one's $10. So all you gotta do is go through here. Now what you do want to do is you want to look here to see how many ratings they have and what their rating is. Now this one is 5 stars, 366 reviews. So the odds are this person is pretty good. Let's take a look here real quick, and we can see all the different designs they've done. If you look through here, there's tons of them. Okay, and you could just contact these people, give them your idea. They can create a t-shirt. You don't have to worry about it. You spend 20 bucks. That's pretty cheap to have a t-shirt design. Now I can't tell you how many t-shirts you're going to sell. That's totally impossible. But if you design more and more designs, you're going to have a better chance of that t-shirt going viral. And if a t-shirt goes viral, you could make thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. But there's one thing I can tell you for sure: if you don't try any of it, it's not going to work. Now, not every t-shirt's going to do well. Some will, some won't. But what you need to do is keep trying different ones over and over again, and you'll hit on some that do well. Now I want to take you over to another site called watchcount.com, and I want to show you how that can help you out. Okay, I'm at Watch Count right now. What Watch Count really does is it looks at what the most popular things on eBay as voted by eBay users. So I'm going to type in t-shirt right here. Then I'm just going to hit enter, and it's going to pull up t-shirts, and it's going to show you what they sold for, what they look like. This one here is kind of interesting with the eyelashes in the mouth here. As I scroll through here, some of them are plain, some of them have stuff on it, but I can find the ones that are the most watched, and that will also give me some ideas as to what I can do. Now let's run over to another site which I highly suggest, and that's wish.com. Okay, now wish.com has a lot of different things in here, but let's go ahead and search t-shirts real quick and see what they got. And some of the deals in here are incredibly cheap deals, and you may not be able to compete with these, but understand your products aren't going to be on wish.com. So I like this one with the cat here. Cat t-shirts seem to be very popular, and it says not today, and it shows this cat kind of just laying flat on the ground. So that's kind of a funny one. You could do something like that. We scroll through here. This one here says I love my girlfriend, but if you zoom in a little bit under the words I love, it says I love it when my girlfriend lets me play video games. So that's kind of a funny one there, and they've got the small print right below there, so there's an idea for you. But you can get tons of ideas from these sites and create your own t-shirts. Now how do you market with no money though? How can you do that? Well, it's really simple, because Facebook allows you to have your own pages. So you could actually start a t-shirt page. It could be around a niche, it could be around save the whales, it could be around animal rescue, it could be around survival, whatever you want, and you start putting your t-shirts in there and start listing them. After time, people will find the t-shirts, and you can actually sell them right from your Facebook page by putting a link to your Printful store. It goes right to the store. Now how Printful works is, as soon as somebody comes in there and buys one of your products, they will go ahead and charge you your cost for it. So maybe your cost is $8 or $9 and you're selling it for $19.95. They will go ahead and charge you your $8 or $9. They will actually ship out the shirt to the person, and you get your commission of what's left over. You literally don't have to do any of the work. You don't have to print the shirt. You don't have to have inventory. You don't have to ship it out. You don't have to do anything but list it, and it's a zero startup cost to do that. Now the next way you can do this is on an Instagram account. You can actually take those pictures, those visuals you have of your shirts that you've designed in your Printful store, and you can put those pictures on your Instagram account. Start posting those, put a link back to your Printful store. They will once once again ship out the shirt for you, and you don't have to do anything but list them. Now there's a couple different types of t-shirts that sell well. Usually any ones that are funny do really well. Ones that are political do really well. If you want to make money during a political season, I know we have an election coming up, you know, love or hate the president right now. He's very polarizing, and since he is very polarizing, people feel very strongly on both sides. So you could just pick a side and do a t-shirt with some saying on either side and probably do pretty well. If you're unsure of what's popular, go to trends.google.com. Google will actually tell you what's trending, what's popular, what people are talking about, and you can also pick one of those subjects and gear your t-shirts around one of those particular subjects. The next way you can design and sell your t-shirts, which is a great one, is merch by Amazon. That's merch.amazon.com. Now Amazon operates the same way at merch.amazon.com, where you upload your particular graphic, you pick the types of shirts you want to sell, you set your prices, and it is sold on Amazon. Pretty cool way of doing it. And Amazon will actually print the shirt, send it out to your buyer, and you keep the difference between what your cost is and what the buyer paid for the particular t-shirt. Now Amazon's been around a long time. You don't have to worry about shipping, you don't have to worry about customer support, any problems. They handle everything for you. So that's another great avenue to actually sell your t-shirts online. Okay, so there you have it. You could be in business today without any money in the bank. Even if you're broke, you could sell t-shirts online. I highly suggest you give it a try. It's fun, it's easy, and there's a possibility to make a lot of money there. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and click that subscribe button down there. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my family, become part of the VIP Fisher family, and there's one more important thing. You got to ring the bell. You got to smash that bell right next to the subscribe button. When you do that, you'll get notified if you also click get all notifications. You got to do that. That way I can tell you every single time there's a new video. Don't forget, I've got a $97 e-commerce course that you can get for free just from watching this video. Go down in the description section, click the link, and boom, you have access to the course. It's that easy. Thank you so much for listening. And if you try some of these methods with t-shirts, I want to hear about it. Or if you've already tried some methods with t-shirts, put it in the comment section below. If you have any questions whatsoever, please share them with me. I thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.